Hi everybody, my name is Irene Jordan. I'm a wife, a mother of two, a trader, and a team leader at my current job. I'm responsible for 11 staff and 84 clients. Before working with Sherry, I was extremely overwhelmed, um, stressed out to the point where I was having anxiety attacks. I'd feel physically ill. It was hard for me to get up and go to work. So at that point, I knew I needed a major shift, a major mind shift change in my life. So I started working with Sherry because I felt the passion that she has for people and with working with people. I know that Sherry is very non-judgmental, and I knew she would meet me where I was. Also, I knew she would push me to where I needed to be, but it would be a gentle push. And like I said, before working with Sherry, I was extremely overwhelmed with my job. I knew I needed to change careers, but I was afraid. I had so much clutter in my mind. I wasn't able to think clearly to make the proper decisions. Um, Sherry helped me to shift through all of the clutter in my mind, so that I was able to make the the big decision, which I did make. I put my letter of resignation in, which was a weight lifted off of me, and I'm starting a new career in finance. Some of the changes that I've experienced working with Sherry was my relationship with God got a lot stronger. I started celebrating myself, taking care of myself, celebrating the small victories. Um, I was able to declutter my mind and stop with feeling overwhelmed. And my favorite part with working with Sherry was the fact that we had these small, intimate groups. I was working with a great group of women where I was able to share my heart, and it was a very sacred, non-judgmental, intimate group. I'm so grateful for that. And I feel that everyone needs to invest in themselves, and this would be a great way to invest in yourself, because um, you'll come out with more confidence, really believing in yourself, and knowing that you can do it. I was able to accomplish the goals that I set easily and effortlessly, and also working this with Sherry in this program, you will have a new take on life, a major shift in your mindset.